Hey YouTubers, and welcome back to Tony the Technician channel. And today on another segment for the car detailing portion of my channel, we're moving into a tool I found at Advanced Auto Parts. Now, some of these videos that I may be showing you might not be for your average just hey, go out and wash the car type of person. But obviously not high-end professional grade stuff or all of that. But I'm trying to show you, if you're a guy that likes, or lady that likes to take care of their vehicle and is thinking about stepping up their game just a little bit, I am going to be showing products that are just a little bit above what your standard car wash would consist of. So stay tuned for episodes kind of like this, and I'm keeping it on the affordable side, and I'll let you guys know as I go throughout using these things how they hold up and everything. But once again, everything I do a video on will be linked down in the description. Unless I do not like it, then I will let you guys know, obviously. But everything that I do suggest will be linked down in the description, and the car detailing portion is its own little link down in the description, so it makes it easier for you guys if you're just here for the auto detailing portion. So today is a performance tool, or PT, shop blower, and this is going to be great for blow drying the car. Yes, squeegees work, the drying towels work, but you also take the chance of scratching your paint with squeegees, with the towels. I mean, the towels aren't too bad, just depending, on how much water's left on your vehicle, because anytime you touch your vehicle, you want to make sure you have lubrication on it. But, the drying process doesn't, leave very much lubrication on the vehicle. So that's the key problem. So to solve that issue, for a cheap and affordable and easy way, this is the best way to dry a vehicle: air. The great thing about this is it has a filter on it. Some of them will just have a little foam filter inside this end right here that prevents debris and stuff being sucked through, because you can actually switch these. If you put it on this way and the filter bag on this side, well, this will actually capture dirt and stuff. Instead of being a filter, all the dirt and stuff, it'll be used as a vacuum instead of a blower, is basically what I'm saying. So with it hooked up this way, this acts as more of a filter and blows air. So it's great for drying off the car. It says it's 75 miles an hour. Most of them, range from 75 to roughly 200, 250 miles an hour. With this size of blower, I mean, this thing is tiny. With it neck down to this portion, it moves some air, and you'll dry off your vehicle pretty quickly. Now, I'm not going to be, hitting all the nicks and crannies. If I can get a majority of the vehicle blown off with this, that'll save me a lot of microfiber towel drying and everything like that. So that's the main thing about this. And this is rubber. So you don't, it lessens the chance of you smacking the vehicle with it, leaving a dent or scratching it or anything like that. So that is nice as well. This little baggie does have a zipper on it as well. And as you can see, they both kind of twist lock on and off very easily. Nice and handy. It's basically an electric turbo. So this one is a corded version. Easy enough. I usually have my shop back out there and stuff anyways, so I always have a power cord right there with me, so it's easily accessible. But they do have battery powered ones as well. Leaf blowers work as well. You just got to be careful not to suck up any debris into the inlet and blast it into your car. But I think for $20 to $30, that's what this one costs. It's a great deal. Now, I know Chemical Guys sells one. It's a little bit bigger, I believe, for around $45. And then there's a couple other brands out there that are going to be $60-ish dollars. And then when you really get into the bigger and better ones, it's going to, be around $100 or $150. So I think for roughly $30, it's a great little addition. to any car detailer, whether you're a professional. Obviously you're probably going to step up your game with a little bit more expensive blower, but if you're a DIYer or somebody first starting out, I think for $30 this thing's great. We'll see how long it lasts though. Hopefully it holds together. The quality, it's obviously not the best quality. It was $30, but it seems sturdy. Nothing seems wrong with it. But we'll put it to the test. We'll see how it does as soon as the weather starts getting nicer out and I can actually start doing some more in-depth detailing videos. But I really hope you guys enjoyed. Other than that, I'll just show you kind of some of the information on the box and we will be on our way. 600 watt shop blower, 120 volt corded, 75 miles an hour, Grade electric broom, blah blah blah. 1 year limited warranty. Vacuum feature, collection bag included. I use mine as a filter. Other than that, you could, if you didn't want to use this as a filter, you could literally just go get some foam, cut it out in a circle, pack it in here in a little bit, and you'd be good to go. It does have a little, mesh filter over it, a little chicken wire in there. Other than that, I'll give you a little listen of what it sounds like running. It is quite loud. Airflow 75 plus, RPM 16,000 max. Yeah, so used for touchless dry after washing your car. Let's give it a listen. This thing moves some air. If it wasn't 9 o'clock at night, I would, go blow some stuff around, but it'll easily throw some stuff around. But as you might be able to tell through the mic, I'm not sure if you're picking that up, it isn't the quietest blower around, but it does work really well. That neck down really does push some air out, and I think it's great. So let me know your guys' thoughts. If you guys enjoyed this video, please make sure to hit that thumbs up. Leave a comment down below of your thoughts of this and how the auto detailing segment is going. And if you haven't subscribed, please hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you guys in the next one. See you guys next time.